wore faded jeans and soft black leather. She had eyes so blue they looked like weather. When she needed me, I wasn't around. That's the way it goes. It'll all work out. There were times apart, there were times together. I was pledged to her for worse or better. When it mattered most, I let her down. That's the way it goes. It'll all work out. It'll all work out eventually. Better off with him than here with me. Now the wind is high and the rain is heavy and the water's rising in the levee. Still I think of her when the sun goes down, never goes away. Oh, it all works out. It'll all work out eventually. Better off with him than here with me.
Hey there, folks. Welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. This is going to be a guitar lesson for It'll All Work Out by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers off the Let Me Up, I've Had Enough album. It's really just Tom Petty and Mike Campbell, I believe. And folks, I think I've said this before, but I want to make a recommendation to all you Tom Petty fans. If you don't already listen to the Tom Petty Project podcast, you should. It's really, really excellent, superb. It's hosted by Kevin Brown. I'm such a big fan of the podcast. I listen to every episode. Each episode covers a different song. I just recently heard his episode on It'll All Work Out, and Kevin gives you all the backstory, all the instrumentations, Mike Campbell playing the Japanese instruments, the mandolins, the backstory to the song, the heartbreaking kind of backstory to this one. I'll leave you to the podcast to get all that. This is just going to be an acoustic guitar lesson, but definitely check out the Tom Petty Project if you don't already listen to it. So with that, let's get into the guitar lesson. Now, there is an acoustic guitar kind of strumming along, pretty much what I did in the background of the mix. It's not in the whole song. It kind of fades in and fades out. But if you want to play the song by yourself as a solo performance, here's the chords. They're very straightforward, very simple song to do, and it's really, really beautiful. So let's just get into this. The guitar's in standard tuning. There's no capo, so everything's straightforward. The verse, just a couple of chords. We're just going to do, let me give you the chords. E minor, to a C, to a D, to a G. Next line, second line, E minor, to a C, to a D. This time go to a C. Ooh, I was going to do a C7. A C, either a C or a C add 9. I like to add the add 9, so the B string 3rd fret. Sorry, I was thinking about what I wanted to play there. Or you could just play a regular C chord, right? That's the second line. Third part of the verse, when she needed me. E minor, C, D, to a G. Now the fourth line, that's the way it goes. E minor, to a C, D, and back to G. That's it. That's the verse. And now it'll all work out. It'll all C, work out, eventual D, to a G, better C, with him than here with me, to a D. So one more time on that part, and then we're finished. It'll all work out. So it's a C, it will all work out, D, G, better C with him than D with me. Then you're back into the E minor. just going to end it on that E minor. That's it, folks. I'm not going to keep you any longer. Thank you so much for watching. It'll all work out. What a heart-wrenching, beautiful song by Tom Petty. Again, check out Kevin Brown on the Tom Petty Project discussing the backstory to the song. It's just wonderful. I think this song, for me, the only thing I'll say at the end here, if you stuck around, is I think it's a harbinger of Tom Petty's songwriting to come. What he's going to do on Wildflowers, what he's going to do on Highway Companion, some of his, solo, more personal acoustic songs. It'll all work out as kind of the beginning or part of the beginning of that journey for Tom Petty. So definitely check it out. It's kind of a hidden gem song. Thank you, folks, for watching. I'll see you all soon. Take care.